Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Solana, BNB. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. The MCRT team is now 80 people full-time, about almost 200 people all together, and they're building amazing stuff. We've got Unity developers, smart contract developers, marketing team, tech team, amazing front-end developers, graphic designers, FX designers, amazing stuff that the team is building. I'm going to show you, they just sent me the Archer that will be incorporated into the game as well. We're the play to earn game, MCRT. Check it out. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. You do your own due diligence on MCRT, but pay attention to it. On Christmas, we will be launching the PC version. Right now, it's in iOS and Android beta version, but the PC version will be launching before Christmas. So the market alts are slightly even, slightly down. I would say a little bit of red alts in the market, but almost even on the day. Ethereum, same trade as earlier today's video. The trade yesterday is already massively in the profits. Move your stop loss into profits. The trade that I took early this morning is still the same trade that's in effect. This trade here on Ethereum, you can quickly screenshot it or look at it. That's the trade setup that I would take on Ethereum. Let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin's slight movement up today. Yesterday's trade massively in the profits, which is beautiful. This morning's trade is slightly in the profits, which is also beautiful. We had a pump to 17,862, but pull back. That trade is still active. Same trade that I will be taking on Bitcoin. Risking $176 to make $1,525. With 10x leverage will be $15,000. You can trade that over on Bybit. Let's go now into Solana. Do I have Solana here? Solana and BNB. Let's go BNB first because a lot of people are very interested. BNB had this big drop on this Binance FUD. It came all the way down to 254 and then a big bounce back, big V-shaped recovery with a lot of volume. Stochastic looks very strong for a big movement. For dailies, very oversold. Weeklies, very oversold. Look at that. If you've been following my videos, you saw my BNB trade setup from a few weeks ago, and you can see this symmetrical triangle. Rising triangle. And you can see that this white line on this rising triangle, it's been there for a few, like going back to around, we had it drawn on the 22nd of November, and you can see that predicted where BNB would actually bounce. If you follow my video, I actually predicted that it would come here and bounce off this white line, and it perfectly bounced off. That again, that triangle, that white line has been there since the 22nd of November, and you can see that BNB came down, touched this white line perfectly, touched that blue line, my target, and then bounced off it. If this triangle plays out on BNB, then we're going to have a rising triangle like this, builds pressure, and moves 70% of the movement, usually has a breakout. So in March, we're looking for a run up to $487 on BNB. First target will be 332. So I'd actually be going long on BNB here, stop loss just underneath. I'll also be buying spot here on BNB, and the target will be, this is a big trade on BNB. That would be the target of this trade, but it's a long-term trade. It moves 70% of the move, so this will play out over this time frame going to March of next year. So it's a 13 risk to reward ratio trade, which if you're one of my students, you know above 3 risk to reward ratio trade is epic. It's 13 risk to reward, risking $17 per BNB to make $225 per BNB, which is 86% profit. With 10x leverage, that's 860% profit. So an epic trade to be taking on BNB, opening the trade at 260. Let's see in the short term exactly where to open the trade. Hourly coming down slightly, so opening the trade here. So the trade would open 267 and take profit will be 487. A very nice risk to reward ratio and good setup trade on BNB. Taking $17 risk to make $225 per BNB with 10x leverage, $2,250 profits, 100x leverage, $22,500 of profits. That's a trade I would take on BNB. If you want to trade Bitcoin, BNB, etc., underneath this video, in the description of this video down below, you can sign up down below to Bybit. That's the exchange that I do trading on. It's the second biggest exchange after Binance, but it has one of the highest liquidities when it comes to Bitcoin and altcoin trading. It's more for a trading exchange, but you can also buy spot on Bybit as well. But don't keep too much funds on exchanges at the moment, everyone, with all this exchange FUD that's going on. Underneath this video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link. You have to use that link to sign up, and you can get a 30,000 USDT bonus when you meet all the requirements. You can also buy MCRT on Bybit and 12 other exchanges, and take the Crypto Masterclass to learn with my students, and join us in our free Telegram alerts group where you can talk to almost 6,000 other crypto gurus in there and just discuss trades. Again, that trading link is down there to Bybit, 30,000 USDT bonus. And also I got images just now from the studio. This is the True Shot. This is our Archer, who's an NFT that's being now incorporated into the game. So you can already play it on beta.magicraft.io. So this is the Archer coming to life. And this is the FX animations of the Archer, so you can see it pulling the bow. So if you've been watching the development of this Archer from 2D drawings to 3D drawings to 3D designs, wireframes to FX, now the character, it's an NFT and it will be incorporated in the game. So if you're one of the, I think we have 6,000 NFTs sold. If you're one of the NFT holders of True Shot, it's coming soon to the game. This is a nice marketing design for Gene. Oh, for some reason it's not showing the high quality on my phone. I have to download the better image. This is one of the maps coming to life as well. This is the team building the maps inside the game. You can see our game, beta.magicraft.io. You can already play the game, which is beautiful. So that's what's happening on Bitcoin and BNB. In the next video, I will do an updated technicals on Ethereum. Pay attention to MCRT, everyone. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. I'm the founder of this project, but going into Christmas, the team is making a lot of amazing stuff. You can already play the game at beta.magicraft.io. You can already play and earn MCRT. You can earn up to 3,000 MCRT per day playing the game, which is epic. There's now 47,000 members in the Telegram, 7,000 people signed up to the beta.magicraft.io. It's already playable on iOS and Android. And going into Christmas, on Christmas Day, we will be releasing the PC version, which is cross-compatible. So you'll be able to play with your friends on iOS, Android, and PC. And don't forget to update to the newest version if you're one of the beta testers on iOS and Android. There's been massive updates. You can check the Telegram to find out which one to exactly update to. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.